Hey, Wales, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's March 16th. Let's go over and break down Tesla here. I've been getting a lot of questions about, when to buy, what the price targets are, where are we going for the future. So I wanted to sort of give you guys all of that sentiment. And yeah, let's really dive in. I wanted to first go on the monthly time frame, guys. I wanted to zoom out and give you guys the direction of where we're going. So you can see that we're basically nesting is what we call this period. We have a 1-2 in red, 1-2 in black, and then a 1-2 in blue. Okay, so these are a series of 1-2, 1-2s getting ready for a nest for a macro uptrend. Okay, so if you take a look, typically, let's go over some theory real quick. Uptrends typically have 5 waves, guys, like this. All right, we have wave 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. Okay, finishing off all of a macro trend. Right now, Tesla has finished this wave 1, coming down for a macro wave 2. And now between the wave 3s, right, we have another series of nests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And where we are for Tesla right now is we're trying to finish off all of a wave 2 within a larger wave 3 wave. Okay. So you can see that we're still very early on Tesla here, right? We have this macro wave 1, 2. We're finishing off a 1, 2 in blue here. Okay. So where do I see ourselves in the next few years? Well, if you take sort of the fib levels from the bottom of wave 1, projecting it out to wave 2, let's say this is the bottom today, right? We have a target between 565 as well as 781 here, guys. Okay, this is these are the targets that I'm looking at. Anywhere in between makes sense, right? And what's that time frame look like? Well, if we just basically take some ratios, right? Let's say we took the bottom of this all of a wave 1, and we project it out to the peak. That's about 882 days, guys. 882 days. So if we project that out, we'll most likely try to get there in September of 2026, right? So September of 2026. So about, what is that? A year and a half, 2 years to get to these levels, right? So ultimately, if you're looking at this as being a low, right, 160%, all the way up to 260% within a 2-year time period. That's not bad, guys. That's really great. Okay, so let's see if Tesla can sort of start finding a bottom here, and we can project upwards, right? Now let's take a look at sort of the structure here from the 1 down to the 2. All right, from the 1 down to the 2, we're almost there, guys, in my opinion. I don't know if we've already bottomed right now, right, for this all of being a wave 2, or we have one more bottom. Okay, so let's say we do have one more wave down. In my opinion, anything between 209 down to 150 is a great potential buy, especially if you're a long-term investor, right? So I'm looking at this structure from the 3 to the 4, right? We need to sort of break past 266, guys. This is the main algo level here that the bears are going to defend. They're going to start shorting this level, right? This is the 1-to-1 hit. So if the bears can defend that, we'll have one more flush down between 209 down to 151, and then that will end all of a cycle for a wave 2 before we try to, make that new higher low, lower high, or higher low and higher highs like this, and start a new uptrend, guys. Okay, that's exactly what I want to see for Tesla in the future. Okay, now if Tesla did bottom, guys, right? If Tesla did bottom, this could have all have been 3, 4, 5 here in red, all of us wave 2 for a C wave. Right, what I really need Tesla to do is actually get some separation from these lows, right? We want to see at least maybe 280, right? And then up to maybe like 300. This would be amazing because now this looks very impulsive, right? And then we come back down for a larger dip, right? And it holds a higher low because of how impulsive that main structure was. And then now we can go for a higher high, right? And if you take a look, if Tesla can reach maybe 280, 300, we're starting to break out of that downtrend, guys, right? That cycle between all of this downtrend is now broken. So now we can start that new uptrend. So that's exactly what I want to see. So until then, guys, still early, right? We don't know if this is the bottom or we have one more down to go. But either way, we at least know we're getting ready, guys. We're getting ready for this macro trend, right, in the future. So as long as sort of Tesla can hold these levels wherever it is, in my opinion, if you're a long-term investor, keep accumulating, keep going, right? And yeah, I'll see you guys at the finish line within the next couple of years here. Let's see if we can all become millionaires in the meantime. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.